Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proofing intention. Pour 300 g water at about 38 degrees C into a bowl and stir in 3 g instant yeast until dissolved. Once done, add 500 g flour and 10 g salt on opposite sides so salt doesn't kill the yeast. Add 15 g olive oil, then combine with a spatula until a shaggy mass forms. This is the auto-lyse moment. Rest uncovered for 20-30 minutes to let Now you develop the dough. If by hand, knead for about 8-10 minutes until smooth. In a mixer, use low speed for 6 minutes. Once the dough holds shape, transfer to a lightly oiled container and begin bulk fermentation. Every 20 minutes for an hour, do a set of 3 stretch and folds to align gluten strands and trap gas. This replaces aggressive kneading. Make sure to test the window pane. If it stretches to a thin, translucent film without tearing, gluten is ready. Finish by choosing your ferment. You can bulk rise 60-90 minutes at room temperature for speed, or cold retard 24-72 hours for deeper flavor. Divide the dough, pre-shape gently to preserve air, then final proof 30-60 minutes until puffy. Preheat oven with stone to 250-300 degrees C. Stretch dough by hand, top lightly, and bake until crust is golden and blistered. If the dough feels too sticky, add flour in 10 g increments. If tight, let it rest 10 minutes to relax gluten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.